Hello and welcome to JEEVES. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to review a permit request that requires additional approval. If you haven't already, please watch our tutorial on how to customize your settings for the tenants or members of your unit. We will put the link on the description. That video will help you better understand the next part. Also keep in mind that this tutorial is specifically for owners and admin users of JEEVES. For this video, we'll walk you through how to review a permit request sent by your tenant or member for approval. Start by going to the home page and tapping the Review Permits icon. On the Review Permits page, you'll see the status of permits listed as either pending or completed, along with different permit types. You can use these filters to organize the list for easier viewing. To review a request, tap the tenant's requested permit to view the details and check the information provided. Once the permit has been reviewed and you've confirmed it's valid, tap the Approve button. If the permit isn't valid, simply tap the Reject button. You can also leave a comment on a permit, explaining the reason for approval or rejection, and tap the Submit button. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.